Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to introduce an Android application for video editing. Just before starting, please subscribe my channel, and finally, if you like this video, please like it. Okay, let's start. Now open Play Store app. In the search bar, type VLLO and download it. After installing VLLO app, open it and select your video that you want edited. Here, select your video. I select this. Okay. Choose a name for your project. And choose a frame for your video. Uh, I choose YouTube frame and uh, choose feed as content mode. Create project. Here you can add audio or a sticker or text to your video using bottom navbar. And when you tap on your video, you will get two navbar. Using bottom navbar, you can resize your video, or you can change background, opacity, speed, and another. Also, uh, using from the start icon or from now icon or until the end icon, you can cut part of your video. Finally, uh, tap on download icon. Uh, Here you can choose resolution for your video. I choose QHD and finally tap on export.
Red Giant Universe is a collection of effects and transitions for editors and motion graphics artists. Old film and VHS, holograms, ghost stuff, user interfaces, text bit.
Okay, your video is ready for watching. Thank you. Bye.